Hey guys, today I'm gonna make a video of Hurricane Dorian. It's supposed to come here at like 7 o'clock, but it's kind of already here. The storm is from Hurricane Dorian, and it's gonna be here at 7 o'clock, and it's like 4 o'clock right now. And yeah, so it's crazy. So, hey guys, I'm gonna put this down. Exactly. Whoa, the wind is so strong, and today I was thinking of jumping in puddles. That's a good idea because there's a lot of puzzles. I was about to say puzzles, like why?
Can you get a video of him?
Oh God,
Please.
no.
Please.
Okay, fine, but hold on. So I'm gonna put my hood on. And by the way, like my jacket. Alright, so I'm gonna try not to get you guys wet. And my dad put up this hilarious skeleton that hangs. Well, it's not really that funny anymore, but last year it was so funny to us because I need to wipe you off. So let's show you guys. Stop! Not with these guys, okay? Okay, so I'm gonna splash them. I just found the perfect puddle, guys. This rain is hard to deal with. So I just found this puddle. It's amazing. Gosh, it's right there. Woo! That was so much fun. Guys, in the Bahamas, there was a crazy storm. Like, almost like a lot of people died. Like, it was crazy. So I'm gonna get that umbrella because the water can't have water on it. So, yeah, I'm gonna set you guys somewhere right here. And this is cool how you open this umbrella. So there's a button right here that says push. So, alright. Oh God. Alright. So, it's much better. So, I'm looking for another puddle somewhere. I don't know where, but somewhere. So, the Bahamas is like wrecked, like it's like torn up, like no one goes there anymore, and like people drown, and yeah, you guys have to watch the news because you know something might bad happen, and yeah, so 7 o'clock is like past my bedtime. Well, not past my bedtime, but like, you know, put my hood down because we're on an umbrella. So like, it's not past my bedtime, but I need to go to bed at 7:30. Like, that's late because it's a school night and tomorrow. Well, I have to stay up as long as I want because tomorrow we have no school. Oh, that's awesome. Because of the hurricane. Some of my friends keep saying it's a tornado. I mean, like, it's not. It's not. What? Oh, okay. So my mom is about to leave. Yeah. We're almost... So we're almost letting every cat in except, like, well, of course not the kittens or Quinn. That would be weird. But we let Abby in sometimes when she goes to sleep and she can eat. Sometimes she eats dog food. Like, it's crazy. So let's just go.
It's right there.
Oh, gosh.
You can tell YouTube viewers
What?
about how Forrest busy him on his phone.
Oh, yeah. I need to tell you something, guys, about Forrest. If you don't know Forrest, it's my cat. He stays in the house usually. Well, sometimes all night, but that wouldn't happen anymore. So usually my parents keep this closet open, and so they left it opened, and so you know what happened? He pooped and peed in her closet. So this one's a funny part. So, well, kind of funny, but so the poop and the pee, well, that's kind of different, but now he, oh, come on, I'm using Daddy's. Oh, okay. So, well, we're not gonna jump in puddles, yeah, just that one, but in a little bit we are. So, we are going to, so he peed in our underwear, and it was, my dad was like, he was going through the clothes, like he was about to wash them, and he was like, why is your underwear wet? And it was like, I don't know. And it was full of pee. That was crazy. So yeah. Oh my gosh, like this umbrella's like running away. So, oh gosh, it's about, oh my god. Oh my gosh. Let's go over here because there's puddles and it's shade and the trees are coming. Well, kinda. So, see, it's raining a little bit. Guys, this is crazy. Like, it's a hurricane. This umbrella is like pulling me. Oh my gosh, guys. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. That is crazy. Did you guys just see that? That is so crazy. It's about to get crazy, guys. It's about to. I need to wipe you guys off. Whew. Make sure you like and subscribe. Give this video a big thumbs up. Well, we're not ending yet, but this is crazy, guys. Comment down below if you had your hurricane yet, because we have it, and today it's coming. So, yeah. So, gosh, this is like so crazy. Holding two things is like hard, kinda. So, yeah. Oh my gosh. Later, well, a little bit like before, if you guys didn't know who was talking to us, that's her name, Laura. I told you guys about her sometime. Yeah. Oh, guys, I want to show you the kittens. They're so cute. Oh my gosh. Look. Hold on, guys. I need to put this umbrella down because it's kind of crazy. Look. Oh my gosh. Look at those kitties. Hey, what's up? Oh, look at them play. That's Maisie right there that's playing. And that's, I think that's a boy. Wait, hold on. Yeah, that's the boy. And, you know, don't get too sad about this, but I think the fourth one, well, we had 4 because you guys didn't know, but it was 3, but then we got 4. It died because we haven't seen him in like a week or 2 weeks. So it's kind of sad. Maybe it got sick, or maybe it was starving and it didn't have food. Maybe it was like, I don't know, but it's scary. It's like sad. I'm like, well, I didn't cry, but Abby. Oh my gosh, she's always up to something. Abby, you need to go. That was funny. Let's turn you guys around. So there we go. Gotta get this. Alright, so we're gonna go back in the weather, and it's crazy. Like, did you guys see that? Well, it's about to get crazier. Like, this umbrella is like pulling me away. It's crazy. We finally got Watch that video when Hello Neighbor stole our things on the tree. We finally got him back. So, we had a good time in the weather, and I love like storms, not like crazy storms, but like I don't like tornadoes or hurricanes. Well, I'm kind of excited for the hurricane. I don't know why, but I hope other people, like my friends, will have floods. I mean, that's scary when you have a flood. It's sad and you cry and you have to get a new house. It's scary. Let's jump in this puddle again. Woo! Wow, that's fun. All right. So, I'm guessing that's it for today's vlog. I hope you guys like this video. Make sure you give this a huge thumbs up and make sure you subscribe. Make sure you subscribe, or if you don't, then just subscribe. So, bye guys. Be careful with the storm, the Hurricane Dorian. Bye guys. Peace. Stay off. Okay. Alright, that was awesome.